In this lesson, we will learn about the Adobe Dreamweaver CS3 interface. As like other softwares, the Dreamweaver also has got a title bar displaying the title of the document. Below the title bar, there is a menu bar consisting of File, Edit, View, Insert, Modify, Text, Commands, Cite, Windows and Help menus. The options in the Insert menu helps us to insert different design elements into the web page. Using the options from Modify menu, we can modify the design elements in the web page like table, images, frame sets, etc. Using the Text menu, we can format the text in the web pages. Below this menu bar, there is an Insert tabbed panel. This Insert tabbed panel has got different tabs named as Common, Layout, Forms, Data, Sprite, Text, Favorites, etc. The Common tab has got important shortcut icons from all the other tabs. By clicking these shortcut icons, we can directly insert the design elements into the web pages. On the top right side of our document window, we have three buttons named as Code, Split and Design. If we choose this design, we can see the web page in design view. If we wanted to see the code view of this web page, click on Code. If we want to see both the code and design view at the same time in the same window, click on Split. Now we will be able to see both the coding view at the same time the design view in the same window. Here in this title area, we can find the title of this page. If we wanted to preview this web page in a browser, click on this button. Now we will get a list showing that different types of browsers available in our computer. Here we have only Internet Explorer installed in our computer. So we got only Preview in Internet Explorer. By clicking on this option, we can preview our website in Internet Explorer. This is how this web page looks in a browser. By clicking on this small button on the left side of the window, we can get all the other panels like CSS, Application and Files panels. To collapse or hide them, we can click the same button again. In the same way, at the bottom there is also one more button. By clicking this button, we can get the Properties panel. To hide this, we have to click the button again. In the next lesson, we will learn about the different types of web pages.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థాంక్యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.